Ready? With ball, Naukaasanam, legs straight, join big toes, tighten kneecap, lips close. Naukaasanam. Now slowly come to final position. 21 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Setubandhasanam. Fold both legs. Hands just beside body. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Lift thigh, seat, lower back, mid back, upper back. Don't lift heel. Lift thigh, seat, lower back, mid back, upper back. Come on, lift more, mid back and upper back. Expand your chest. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, lift more. 10, 11. Lift heel. Lift mid foot. Both hands under your thigh, under your seat, under your lower back. Both hands take support. Rendu chetuలు support తీసుకోవాలి, దన్ను తీసుకోవాలి. Now lift left leg. Left leg make it 90. Left leg make it 90 and stay there like a statue. No shivering, no jerks. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax. Next counter. Total body turn to right side. Sit in Vajrasanam. Parvatasanam. Parvatasanam. Don't lift heel. Full foot on mat, full sole on mat. Legs straight. మోకాలు చెప్పులు గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. టైటన్ బోత్ నీ క్యాప్. పొట్టను చూడాలి. ఓన్లీ ఫైండ్ యువర్ స్టమక్. Try to more pull down your upper body. Look down and find your abdomen. Not mat, not foot, not kneecap, not thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Lift heel. Lift mid foot. Lift heel, lift mid foot. Only stand on foot fingers. Now lift left leg from back side. Come on, left leg pull up and make it 90. తాడేసి ఎడమ కాలుని పైకి లాగినట్టుగా ఉండాలి. Come on, lift more. Lift more. Total pull down upper body. Pull down. Look down and find your left foot. Stay there. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on, lift. 6, 5. Pull up. 4, 3, 2. Parvatasanam. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. Butterfly. Butterflies. Sit straight. Thigh, hips full up and full down. Full strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the 2 dumbbells, standing position. With the 2 dumbbells, hands full rotation, join legs, lips closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, anti-clock, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. With brick support, Parvatasanam, both bricks in stand mode. Parvatasanam. Now from left leg. Now from left leg. Left foot in between bricks. Look up. Left leg back. Look down. Find your stomach. Right foot in between bricks. Lift head. Look up. Right leg back. Look down. Find your stomach. 3. Left foot. Left leg back. 4. Right foot. Look up. Right leg back, look down. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10, back. Ready. Left foot in between bricks. Stay there. Now interlock hands at lower back. Nadu venakala rendu chetulu join cheyali. Lift head. Look up. Expand your chest. Squeeze your upper backbone. Now slowly bend your upper body to front side. Try to more bend your upper body to front side. Lift right knee. Right knee in air. Both hands towards to roof. Both hands towards to head side. Both hands towards to east side. Come on. Stay there. Stay there like a statue in the final position. No shivering, no jerks. Come on, anger and dynamics. 12, 11, excellent. 10, pull up. 9, 8, 7, 6, excellent. 5, stay strong. 4, 3, pull up. 2, pull up. 1, Parvatasanam, 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 Sashankashanam, Sashankashanam. Sit in Vajrasanam.